recipe for success. Every business is searching for it. Here at the Northside Industrial Park in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia, we have a formula, one we know is working very well for several companies that have made this community their headquarters. We'd like to share it with you too. First of all, location is important. In the mid-'80s, when planners in the adjoining communities of North Sydney and Sydney Mines developed the idea of an industrial park as a cooperative project, they knew our area had much to offer industry. For instance, Northside Industrial Park provides direct access to markets and suppliers. The Trans-Canada Highway, a high-speed, all-weather road, connects the park to national highway networks, offering convenient overland access to all of Canada and the United States. 2 minutes from the park, the year-round deep-water port of North Sydney accommodates vessels up to 500 feet. Its location, just 5 miles from the main St. Lawrence water route to inland Canadian and American ports, also assures convenient access to markets and suppliers in Europe. The port also links Newfoundland to the rest of Canada. Each week, approximately 800 tractor trailers leave the ferry terminal empty, traveling west. As a result, businesses in Northside Industrial Park can take advantage of very competitive backhaul rates for their finished products destined for North American markets. Sydney Airport, just 25 minutes from the park, is served by Air Canada and Canadian Airlines, both international carriers. North Sydney is also on the main line of the Canadian National Railway with daily freight services. An extension rail line runs into the park. Several existing companies supply customers across the North American continent, even as far as Alaska, from their plants. They've found Northside Industrial Park an ideal base of operations. Services are also a vital part of a successful business site. All developed areas of Northside Industrial Park are fully serviced, including roads, power, and water. Our power supply has source diversity at a minimal interruption rate. Transformers are in place to accommodate businesses with exceptional power needs. We've invested more than $1 million in a dedicated, high-quality water supply, delivering excellent volume and pressure. The adjoining towns of North Sydney and Sydney Mines provide municipal services to the park: police and fire protection, sanitation, maintenance, and hospital facilities are all of the standard expected by today's industries. The North Star Inn, a new 4-star 75-room hotel, is strategically located opposite the park. The fully accessible AAA approved North Star offers accommodations from efficiency to luxury, as well as 2,200 square feet of flexible, fully equipped conference and meeting room facilities.
Our facilities are designed to accommodate all the needs of the people in the industrial park, whether it's a senior executive or a person on a long-term stay. Our food and beverage facilities are geared to accommodate catering and luncheons, etc., whether it's in the boardroom, in the plant, or in our facilities at the hotel.
For success, every industry and business needs the right people. This is one of the Northside area's greatest assets. With a large percentage of the local workforce educated to post-secondary level, the community has a rich resource of men and women with applied, academic, and trade skills directly relevant to today's industries.
The greatest asset that Cape Breton has to offer is its people. And there's absolutely no doubt in my mind in terms of work ethic, dedication, and the technical training that they receive at UCCB certainly was a major factor in us getting started here.
Here at the University College of Cape Breton, just 20 minutes from the Northside Industrial Park, high school graduates and workers interested in upgrading their skills can find specialized training in many fields. UCCB offers engineering technology degree programs in civil, chemical, mechanical, electronic and electrical, environmental, and metallurgical fields, as well as data processing and a host of technical trades and academic subjects. Using specialized equipment such as this McDonnell Douglas unigraphic system, students receive practical training in numerous state-of-the-art technological processes. Armed with skills such as the operation of computer numeric controlled equipment and other sophisticated production and process systems, the Northside area workforce is a valuable resource to a wide variety of industries.
Primarily, we're a fine blanking operation here, and we're training people for the fine blanking tool building industry. And the reason why Magna decided to put a training center here was because there's such a critical shortage of tool and die makers in Canada. So by combining the theoretical instruction and our work environment, we're giving our apprentices the best of institutional training and industrial training.
Location, services, people. The list of ingredients in our formula for success keeps growing. The hardest to define, and perhaps most important, is attitude. The people of North Sydney and Sydney Mines are committed to their community. This means they are highly motivated and determined to make a viable future for themselves and their families. For employers, this means not only a trained and capable workforce, but also a loyal, stable one. Northside Cape Breton offers the best of both worlds. Here there are practical benefits for businesses with their eye on the next century. And the amenities are expanding rapidly as we build a service infrastructure. At the same time, the area offers affordable living, a safe, clean environment, and a wide array of recreational and social activities. All this in one of the most beautiful parts of Canada. You'll find we're still small enough to be flexible and imaginative as we grow, and big in heart, ambition, energy, and enthusiasm, because we're committed to a successful future for this East Coast Center of Industrial Excellence.
One of the advantages for us coming to Cape Breton was the help we got from Enterprise Cape Breton ACOA in assisting us in putting all the provincial, federal, and municipal programs together for our company. Once the decision was made to come to Cape Breton, the Northside Industrial Commission made it very easy for us to locate in this park.
With today's land and business overhead costs soaring and skilled, motivated employees scarce, you'll find the Northside Industrial Park a breath of fresh air. Why not come and talk to us about your particular enterprise? We think you'll discover all the ingredients for success right here. At Northside Industrial Park, business is a go.